The Leonardo Rheinmetall Military Vehicles joint venture has delivered the first 4 Lynx KF41 infantry fighting vehicles to the Italian Army at the Multifunctional Experimentation Centre in Montelibretti, officially launching the A2CS program. The handover follows an initial contract signed at the end of last year for the acquisition of 21 A2CS Combat vehicles. Speaking at the ceremony, Defense Minister Guido Crosetto said, "The international scenario requires a constantly evolving defense, capable of ensuring the security of the country and safeguarding national interests." He added, "Within this framework comes the delivery of the Lynx armored vehicle, the result of Italian-German industrial cooperation, to the Italian Army, aimed at strengthening land systems through the introduction of state-of-the-art platforms." The Chief of Staff of the Italian Army, General Carmine Masiello, said, "The Army has a clear direction and well-defined requirements for the new vehicles to accelerate the mechanization path of the armed force, which concretely begins today." He added, "They will be able to operate at their best if equipped with technology that meets the challenges ahead. This vehicle will radically change the way the Army fights." Leonardo Chief Executive Officer Roberto Cingolani stated, "The start of deliveries of the new armored vehicles represents an important milestone in the program we are carrying out with the Italian Army." Rheinmetall Chief Executive Officer Armin Papperger said, "With the handover of the first armored vehicles to the Italian Armed Forces, we are opening a new chapter in the success story of the Lynx vehicle family." The 4 vehicles delivered are equipped with Rheinmetall's Lance 30mm turret, which will later be replaced by Leonardo's Hitfist 30mm turret, while the remaining 16 vehicles under this contract will be fitted with the Hitfist system. The A2CS program, alongside the new main battle tank program, is intended to renew the Italian Army's heavy vehicle fleet with highly digitalised and connected platforms capable of operating in complex multi-domain environments.